Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I'm just checking out these really nice solar lamps that I've seen for ring purposes. It's a set of two lamps that you can place upon any kind of wall with these stands, and they can be set that they get charged upon receiving sunlight, which I think that it's really, really nice. We get the remote controls for the two units with a set of batteries and the anchor, so we can install it upon the wall, which I think that it's really, really nice. We've got the proper main unit. It's really well protected with foam, and as you can see, it's a really nice unit. As you can see, it has LEDs upon this side and the solar panel upon this side. It also has a motion detection system that you can turn on and off, so it will detect if someone is near. It will dim up and down if someone isn't there, which I think is really, really nice. Okay, another set of anchor bolts, and in here we have the user manual, okay, with all the information about the main unit, how to install it, and everything, which I think that it's really, really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Okay, let's go. These high-lumen solar floodlights run completely on solar power, so there's no need of wiring and no electricity. And with a really large capacity solar panel, they can deliver up to 12 hours of continuous lighting after a full day of charge. They are equipped with a smart motion sensor, and the light will automatically adjust brightness when they detect movement. In the first mode, the light goes from low brightness to high brightness when the motion is detected, and in the second one, it switches from completely dark to full brightness the moment someone passes by, providing a really nice light to wherever it's placed. And the built-in Dusk-to-Dawn sensor makes them completely hands-free. During the day they can recharge automatically, and at night they will power on without you having to lift any finger or turning on a switch. They are built to withstand the elements, as they are crafted with a durable ABS plastic and a IP65 waterproof rating. Whether it's heavy rain, snow, or even a stormy weather, they'll keep shining bright, and they are really, really reliable. And as you can see, the installation is quick and easy. As I've said, it doesn't need any kind of wiring, and each light comes with the screws that we're going to use. Okay guys, now that it's darker, I think that they look amazing. They are really nice because, as I've said, they are solar powered, so during the day they will be charging normally, and when it's darker it will turn on automatically, which I think it's really, really nice. As you can see, you can different modes, like for example, it can go completely bright when someone is passing through, or it can dim up a little bit and then dim down, which I think that it's really, really nice. You can set it on different brightness, which that it's great. Okay, this is the lowest one. You can see different. Okay, depending of how much light you need, which I think that it's really, really nice. And controlling them with the remote control can be easier, which I think that makes it really, really nice. Overall, I think that they are great. They are perfect to place them outdoors, in your garage, in your entranceway, wherever you need them. I think they're gonna do amazing work, and I like them a lot, and I will really, really recommend them. See you guys.